In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at multi-line strings and formatting strings. So here you can see we have a variable called hello world, and this is placed inside single quotes. Now here in Python, we can have the same inside a double quote or even inside triple single quotes. So it doesn't make any difference, but if you want to have multi-line strings, what you can do is put your string inside either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So here I can see hello world. This is a multi-line string. Let's save this and see it in action. And there you go. It says N is hello world. This is a multi-line string. You'll also notice that the carriage return is also preserved, and it's not like it's printing it in the one line itself, saying that the variable N just contains these strings. So it's preserving those carriage returns as well. Now coming on to the formatting, there are two ways. One we are obviously making use of over here by using the F word here to format the string. The other one is obviously using the dot format method. Now here, if I have another variable, let's say a equals 9 and b equals 10. Now if I want to put it over here, I can do so in this way. So I can put b over here and I can put a over here. Let's run this and see the result. So it says 10, 9, and obviously the content is coming over here. So the next thing that we can do is, let's say you want to pre-fill or put some spaces before or after a given string. For instance, over here I want to put some spaces after the variable b, and I want to put some spaces before the variable a. To do that, we put colon and then less than, let's say 9. Similarly for a, I'll say colon and greater than 7. So now when I print this, obviously I need to save it first. You'll notice that when it says N is hello world, this is a multi-line string, and then it prints B. After B, you can see these are the spaces. So if you want to pre-fill this with zeros, what you can do is put 0 before the greater than symbol. And let's save this. And here you can see after 10 and before 9, these are the zeros that it has printed to these variables. So here what I've done is I have enclosed it inside double quotes so that we can see what exactly this is doing. So you'll notice that we have B as 2 digits and the rest of the space is then filled by zeros. So here you'll see 7 zeros coming up, and then the total digits over here or character count will be 9 that we have over here. Similarly, here you'll see that 6 zeros are there and then 1 digit, that is the variable a. So total it makes 7. So that is how this after and before is used while formatting a string. So that was multi-line strings and formatting strings in Python.